In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can save phone numbers on iPhone. You can simply save any phone number to your iPhone contacts list in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone dialer. Let's say we want to save this phone number right here. Just tap on Add Number right here. Then select Create New Contact. Enter any name you would like to save on them. If it's a company number, you can just add the company name right here. Scroll through all these details and add to the phone number. After everything is done, tap right here on Done. The phone number will get saved to your contacts successfully. That's how easy it is to save phone numbers to your contacts list on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.